Thank you. You may have your seats. You may have your seats. I thank you so much, the governors. We have Governor Anne Waiguru. Excellency, let me tell you something. Our governor, Anne Waiguru, grew up in the youth ministry in Fem, the governor here. And she was a very prayerful girl, very prayerful. I remember she was in the university at the time with Ambrose and Pastor Bob Asumbo, and they used to have a very, very big, huge team, and they were moving and shaking the city of Nairobi to win the souls of the young people to Jesus Christ. Thank you, Governor Anne Waiguru, for what you did for Jesus. Your lovely husband, Mr. Waiganjo, has been the lawyer, actually, with Mrs. Mahiu on our side. And in the negotiation of this land, Mr. Waiganjo was on the other side of the other client where we have gotten the land. So we were sorted out. Thank you very much. I'm sure the governor was also praying. We have a beautiful girl right there. You know, she's my daughter. You know, before I introduce her, Mr. Mburu, I have two sons, one called Bob and another one called Mburu. That is the other son. And I don't know who is older than the other one. Susan, Governor Susan from Nakuru, would you stand? We thank God for you. Beautiful woman of God. We are so grateful to God. You may have your seat. We're so grateful to God to have leadership that honors and fears God. So we thank God for every one of you. We pray for you. And the others, I might not see every one of you or mention every one of you. And Senator Veronica Maina, you know. Yeah. In the house. Honorable Mudama. You know, these are people, members of this church, you know. And another Honorable Mudamba, is that Nakuru, Namu? I don't know, east, west. Or, yes, we thank God so much for you. Thank you, Fem family, and my covenant partners. You made this possible.